guys, so today we are making slime without glue, cornstarch, borax, all of that stuff that you normally do not have at your house, unfortunately. So the things that you would need is some Play-Doh. You can use any type of Play-Doh, and you need to have a little chunk of deodorant and mix this up. Mine is already mixed up. So you need to put that in a little container and let that sit out for 1 day. And then when you wake up, it'll be all crunchy and all chunky. That's what you want. Then you need lotion, any type of lotion. I have 2 different lotions here. I have cocoa butter, Dermanalis, and I have some Icaron baby lotion. Next thing you need is any type of baby wash, which is you can use Johnson & Johnson. That's totally okay with me. You can use any type of baby wash or anything you have at your house. Next thing you will need is something to mix in, something to mix your slime in. You need something to mix with. You need 1/4 tablespoon of sugar. You need nail polish. The thing is about this, there is liquid inside of this. There's this yellowish liquid, and you will need that. That means the nail polish you are about to use has to be old. But if you don't have any nail polish that has this liquid in it, just use regular nail polish. So this is some nail polish. This is for it to start to clump up. It's kind of like borax, but it's not borax. You need any type of water. This is just water in here. There's nothing else in here but water. And you need something to mix that all up in too, because you need to measure still. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm going to get my mixing bowl, and I'm going to add a couple squirts. I would say about 5 squirts, because your slime is going to be huge because you have to add all this stuff. I'll say about 10 squirts. Okay, and then you want to add your sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar, and then you want to mix that up. You want to mix that up for a little bit. And you can't really see it because it's like clear. So you want to mix that up for a little bit. Alright. So now you just want to add some lotion in. Just 2 squirts of your baby lotion if you decide to use it. And you're going to mix it up. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you're going to add the Play-Doh. You're going to add all the Play-Doh in here. And you want to mix this up really well to the point where there's no more chunks in this. So we'll be right back when all of this is no chunks and it's just blue Play-Doh liquid. Alright guys, so we are back, and it doesn't have to have exactly no chunks, but this is a good enough. So then you want to add your water. You want to add about 1/4 of water. Exactly 1/4, so you want to have a measuring. So you want to mix that up. And you already see that it's not that chunky, but that's okay, because I'll tell you what you're going to do for it to turn into slime. Alright, so now you want to just add lotion. You want to add a lot of lotion in this process. So just keep adding lotion. you want to keep adding your lotion. Looks kind of disgusting. So just keep adding your lotion. And now you want to add the nail polish water, I call it, or just the nail polish if you don't have it. So add just a little bit of that, just a little bit. And don't be worried because the color just washes right away, like it was never in there. So now I'm just going to fast forward this to show you how long you need to mix this for about 20 to 10 minutes. Alright y'all, I am back, and obviously I mixed it for exactly 20 minutes, and this is what happened. It clumped up. I didn't add anything else. It just clumped. Clumped a little bit, clumped a lot, and then it just clumped this much. So now that it is clumped up, you are going to let this stand out for 2 days out somewhere. I would recommend to sit it out in the sun or just like on the post of your window. So for example, I will show you. Alright guys, so set it on the post of your window. That will be alright up. If you just set it on a post of your window, that'll be alright. Alright guys, I will keep you posted from day 2 to day 3 to day 1. So see you guys on day 2. Alright, hey guys, so today is day 2. I literally just woke up, and so this is what it looks like. It's not done yet, but tomorrow it should be done. As you can see, some is on my hands. Tomorrow's definitely going to be done. So I'll see you tomorrow, day 3. Alright y'all, so we back. And look at this. It's day 3. Finally. Look at that. Nothing. We'll be back at the station. Alright y'all, so look at this slime. Let me take this out. Look at this. Wow. It literally just formed. What? This is crazy. Like, it just formed by itself. Like, it just moved around. One day it was like right like on the side. The next day it was on the other side. Now today it's right on the other side. I mean, like, it was moving around the bowl because it was changing and mixing up all of the ingredients in the slime before it was slime. Alright y'all, so I hope y'all love this video. And this was a long video because of all the waiting for the days. I hope y'all liked this video and try it out yourself so you can have some slime. I'll see you next time. See you later, fam. Bye.